Happy afternoon, my dear friends. Myself, Priyanka. I started meditation in the year of 2008. And that time, I studied 10th standard. I got good marks. And in this meditation is very helpful myself. Mainly, I deep gratitude to my divine masters, spiritual masters, Brahmarshi, Pitamaha, Patriji, Brahmarshi Chakravarti, Dr. Newton sir, Brahma Vidurishta, Dr. Lakshmi madam, and my spiritual gurus, masters. And thank you for this such wonderful opportunity to Vani ma'am. Dear friends, first we will start the meditation. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes, my dear friends. Observe your breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Completely connected to your higher self. You are observe normal and natural breath. Let's invite all the divine masters, divine energies, angels, archangels, all the higher beings of light energies. In this process, completely connected to yourself. Okay, masters. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Every day, practice the meditation, my dear friends. I introduced myself and I share the experiences. I started in the meditation era of 2008. And that time I studied 10th standard. I got good marks through meditation. After I joined intermediate, I increased my confidence levels. And that time I read two books. One of the book is Jonathan Livingston Seagull, and second one is Atmayanam. In this book, I learned very inspired to me how to achieve the goals, how to success in the life. And again, second time, I read the book Jonathan Livingston Seagull, and that time also completely connected myself. And another one, Atmayanam, complete to connected the higher souls, higher dimension, and higher master's wisdom. After my study completed, I went Hyderabad. I am attending Soul Coach training program. In Soul Coach training program before, I am only theoretical knowledge. Only I am doing meditation and I read the books. But after Soul Coach, completely my changed the life. Before Soul Coach, only theoretical knowledge. After Soul Coach, completely practical sessions and practical knowledge gained. I released my issues and I changed the perceptions. I observed my limiting beliefs. Example, I am not good enough. And that belief change that I convey to positive side. I am good enough. And another one very beautiful class I attended, I remember till now. The four agreements. The first one is don't take anything personally. Always do your best. Don't make assumptions. Be impeccable with your words. In these words, I applied my life. And another one in this my journey process, I am attending 6 days training programs. The first one is Inner Child Workshop. In this workshop, very tremendous workshop, I released my inner child blocks, my patterns. It's very helpful. In this process, completely connected in my childhood, my playfulness life, joyfulness life. I am very enjoyed the sessions. And second one is past life regression. In this workshop also is very amazing, my dear friends. I released my past patterns. I saw the so many past lives and I saw the my victim lives and perpetrator lives. I dissolve the fears. In this process, completely connected with higher self. It's very, very helpful and wonderful, my dear friends. And the third one is I attend the another beautiful workshop, Breath Mastery workshop. That workshop also is I connected with Panchbhutas like that earth element, water element, fire element, sky element, and air element. I released my own patterns. I resolved my childhood issues also. And now I discuss the topic you can heal your life. One of the beautiful quotation, my dear friends. The gateways to wisdom and knowledge. are always open. Life is really very simple, my dear friends. What we give out, we get back. Seth Master also said the one beautiful message. You create your own reality. What we think about ourselves becomes the truth for us. I believe that everyone, myself included, the thoughts we think and the words we speak create our experiences. Dear friends, example, positive thoughts create positive reality. Negative thoughts create negative reality. Miraculous thoughts creating miraculous life. Healthy thoughts creating healthy life. Sick thoughts creating sick life. Joyful thoughts creating joyful life. We create the situations and we given our power away by blaming other persons for our frustration. No person, no place, and no thing has any power over us. We are the only thinkers in our mind. When we create peace, harmony, love, balance in our minds, we will find out in our lives which of the one of the statements sounds like you, my dear friends. People are out to get me. Everyone is always helpful. You observe that example one situation. You are working in office and that time your friends is very busy. People are not helped. But in this moment, your awareness also is very important. Everyone is always helpful. Universe is help to you. Each one of these beliefs will create quite different experiences. What we believe about ourselves and about life becomes true for us. The universe totally supports us. Every thought we choose to think and believe, the both mean that what I believe about myself and about life becomes true. And we have ultimate choices about that what we can think. We choose to think and believe. The universal power never criticizes us, it only accepts us at our own value. Then it reflects our beliefs in our lives. If I want to believe that life is lonely and that nobody loves me, that is the what I will find in my world, and that belief is identify the your beliefs, my dear friends. That change the beliefs, change the information. Everyone loves me. I am lovable person. I am great person. Change the beliefs. First, everyone must and should identify your beliefs. What is my beliefs? You read the paper and change the beliefs, change the thoughts. The mind is the sum total of all our thoughts. On average, a human being thinks more than 50,000 thoughts per a day. Most of the thoughts dwell in the either past or future. It won't be appropriate to say out of our mind in jungle of thoughts. The thoughts can also linked into a cyclone or viral pool. Meditation is about claiming this cyclone. It is about getting a center of the viral pool. See, my dear friends, every day per person 60,000 thoughts. That 60,000 thoughts, positive thoughts, negative thoughts. Identify the your thoughts. Observe. Only meditation is awareness is important not. But every day, every time, every moment, awareness is very, very important. And another one is first everyone practice mirror exercise. Every day practice the yourself, connecting to yourself. I love myself. You wrote the you write in affirmations. I love myself. I am great person. I am good enough. I achieved my goals. I am successful person. Completely convey to positive side. And another one is forgiveness is very important. Sometimes everyone is thinking negatively or very badly or some very cruel situations also. And that time also don't blaming yourself. Forgiveness is very, very important. First, forgiveness ourselves, forgiveness to others, forgiveness to neighbors, forgiveness to offices. So, forgiveness is very important. You did not forgive, you create diseases in our body. So, every person is first forgive yourself. Friends, right now, one small process, everyone connected to communication with your body. Close your eyes. Gently close your eyes, my dear friends. Don't open them till this process has been completed. Take 2 or 3 deep breaths. Inhaling, exhaling. Observe your breath. Follow that by allowing your breath to gradually settle down to a natural, comfortable pace, nice and easy. Continue to keep your focus on your breath by becoming aware of the gentle rhythmic movement. Observe your breath, your body, and your abdomen region. As you keep your focus on the rhythm of your breath, other thoughts, preoccupations, and distractions slow down and completely disappear from your mind. Give yourself sufficient time to do this. There is no hungry, my dear friends. Just you are observing your breath. As the thoughts slow down, Feel your body beginning to relax. Keep on focusing on your breath. Intend that with every breath you inhale, you will slip into a deeper and deeper state of relaxation. As you proceed in this intention, become consciously aware of the breathing process. You are breathing fresh, healthy air. You are breathing out stale, unhealthy air. You are breathing in fresh, cosmic energy. You are breathing out tired, used up energies. You are breathing in healing, relaxing energies. You are breathing out tense, worries, some negative energies. Keep going on this conscious breathing and feel yourself slipping into a nice, comfortable state of relaxation. As the muscles in your body loosen, as the darkness is released, feel your breath reaching all parts of your body. Visualize, imagine, or feel hundreds and hundreds of tiny pathways opening up within your body, and feel your breath now flowing through every one of them as you inhale, flowing out as you exhale. Continue to with this process of visualization even as you travel to all parts of the body one by one, starting from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes, almost as if you were supervisor. Take as much time as you need to make sure that every pathway is clear and open. Feel your breath coursing through each and every one of them as you breathe and breathe out gently, easy breathing. As this process continues, becomes aware that you are now completely connected to your breath. You have become your breath. It is you, as your breath, who is going into all parts of your body, carrying life and vitality out, and it is you returning to discard the unwanted negative energies. Through your breath, you are now connected to each and every part of your body, every organ, muscle, and tissue. You are now connected to every cell in your body. The lines of communication are open. Use your breath and communicate to your body. Ask your breath to guide you to any part of your body that is calling for your attention. Once you have projected this intention, completely trust the process. Trust your intuition. Trust your breath to guide to unerringly. Be spontaneous. Don't doubt. Don't question or analyze. Just observe your breath. Completely communicate to your body cells. In our body, 72,000 nadis are there. Go with the first organ or area of your body that your attention is drawn on spontaneously. Connect to it and talk on it like you would to a child who is under your care, or to your dearest friend, someone you love unconditionally. Talk to your body, knowing that if it is calling for your attention, it means it is carrying a message for you. Ask your body for the message. Keep your mind open to receive the message. Your body will speak to you through your thoughts. Listen very carefully to these thoughts. Completely communicate to your body. Speak to you. Speak to your body. Every cell will speak to you. Every muscles, every tissues. Listen carefully. Once again, pick the first thought that crosses your mind. Be spontaneous. Don't question or analyze. If your body reports a problem, ask for its advice, its suggestions to rectify the problem. Ask the body if there is anything you need to do in order to initiate the process of returning to health. It will be helpful if you visualize or imagine that you are actually talking to a real person who is capable of understanding and responding. You will find the conversation becoming very smooth and free flowing. Follow your intuition and have as long a conversation as you desire till you and your body parts are completely satisfied. Once the communication from your body has ended, tell your body part that you have now become consciously aware of message it was holding for you, so it can now feel free. Let go of the message or return to functioning normally. Talk to the cells. in that part of your body. Remind them of their ability to heal themselves completely and ask them return to their natural state of being, one of perfect health. Convince them that you are now ready to, willing to act on their advice and suggestions, asking to your body, my dear friends. Don't open your eyes. Observe your body parts. Communication to your body, completely connected to your body, my dear friends. Feel their relief and their immediate acquiescence to your suggestions. Before you conclude, remember to express your sincere gratitude to your body part for not just conveying the message to you, but most of all for being a part of you and playing its role in keeping your body mechanism functioning. Thank it, knowing that even if it had been manifesting a condition of ill health, it was doing so only to get your attention. Once the communication is completed, gradually withdraw your attention from that part of your body. Consciously be aware of every bit of information, suggestions, and advices that you received from your body. You may continue with the process and move on to the next part of your body that is calling for your attention. You will then have to repeat the process step by step, just as you did in first time. You can choose to end of the process now and take it up once again a later time. Again, another part of the body communicate to yourself. If you decide to stop, stay with your breath for a little longer, allowing the feeling or satisfaction to radiate from the point of your attention to all the other parts of the body. Your entire body will appreciate the time and attention that you have give to their body who is calling to out to you. Feel the renewed enthusiasm and good will floating through you in all parts of your body. It is a result of the confidence and as well-being state your body feels, knowing that you are now listening to it, you are now talking to it, acknowledging its for contribution is helping you in your journey through physically, consciously carrying these thoughts, feelings, you may gently open your eyes. Are you ready? Slowly, slowly come back to the state. Come back to the present state. Are you ready? Slowly, slowly open your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. Dear friends, see, in this process is practicing is very important, my dear friends. because of our body is very important. You are living the present moment, connected to everyone, higher self. Our body is our best friend. Every day, practicing, communicate to your body, your cells, organs, muscles, tissues. This body dialogue is very, very important. And affirmations, friends. Every day, write the affirmations, positive affirmations. Identify the self. First, what is that in myself? What the affirmations are there? Identify the observe your beliefs. Limiting beliefs convey to positive side. In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete, and that life is ever changing. There is no beginning and no end, only a constant cycling and recycling of substance and experiences. Life is never stuck or static or a stale, for each moment is ever new and fresh. I am one with the very power that created me, and is the power has given me the power to create my own circumstances. I rejoice the knowledge that I have the power of my own mind to use in any way I choose. Is a new beginning point. As we move from the world, this moment is a new point of beginning for me right here and right now. All is well in my world. And another one is loving the self. Self love is very, very important, my dear friends. Loving the self. Love is a miracle and a cure. Loving ourselves works miracles in our lives. I am talking about having a great respect ourselves and gratitude for the miracle of our bodies and our minds. Love to me is a appreciation such a degree that is fills my heart bursting and overflows. Love can go in any direction. I can feel love for love myself. I love myself. I am connected to the universe. The joy of being alive, the beauty I see, another person, knowledge, the process of the mind, our bodies, and the way they work, animals, birds, fishes, vegetation, in all its forms, the universe, and the way it works. And second one is mirror exercise. Every day, practice mirror exercises, my dear friends. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Every day practicing. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Starting this is the very difficult situations, but everyday practicing completely connected to your inner self, and at the same time increase confident levels also. In these sessions, I am attending so many meditation classes also. I released completely my patterns, my fears. So many fears are there. I am working on the myself. Every day, practicing meditation completely release my negative patterns, fears, arrogance. In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, whole and complete. My life is ever new. Each moment of my life is new and fresh and vital. I use my affirmative thinking to create exactly what I want. This is a new day. I am a new me. I think differently. I speak differently. I act differently. Others treat me differently. My new world is a reflection of my new thinking. It is a joy and delight to plant new seeds, for I know these seeds will become my new experiences. All is well in my world. This affirmations is practicing, my dear friends. I introduce the one of the beautiful book. This is the Louis L. Hay. You can heal your life, my dear friends. Every day practicing meditation and you connected to your inner self. I am doing practicing meditation every day and I spread the meditation in my friends, my neighbors. I conduct the meditation sessions at my home. One of the my beautiful past experience uh, in my home, I am conducted 40 days meditation sessions. My family, my mom, my grandma, and my sister, both are group meditation conducting every day. I invite so many people. People are came daily practicing meditation and benefits of meditation. But 39th day, 40th day, people not it. I really, why they are not came. That feeling is very sad feeling. But I am very much practicing meditation and I went Bangalore Pyramid Valley, Maitre Buddha Pyramid Valley, Paurnami Dhyan. I attend the sessions. After, again, I boost up the myself. Again, I started 40 days meditation sessions. One of the my friend is came. She started meditation. She is suffering health issue. In this process of the meditation, she released the patterns. She released the blocks completely. She strength, more strength. Her family is very happy. She constructs the pyramid, the grand opening in the pyramid house, and I spread the meditation in schools, colleges also. Thank you, such a wonderful opportunity to myself. I bow down to my masters, my parents, Brahmarshi, Pitamaha Patriji, and Brahmarshi Chakravarti, Dr. Newton sir, and Lakshmi ma'am, and entire our universal friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for wonderful opportunity. Thanks to Vani ma'am. Thank you, masters.